This Ford Transit is enjoyed by a family that take nice long road trips, as you can clearly see how the dirt is sticking to the paint. Our repeat customer wanted something that would make cleaning the exterior easier. Ceramic Pro Bronze 2 years protection was the answer. Let's check out the results. Wow, this doesn't even look like the same vehicle. Look at this nice shine he'll enjoy for 2 full years. No more waxing. Maintaining this vehicle will be a breeze as dirt will not stick to the paint. He can simply pressure wash it and go, all while maintaining this rich, deep shine for 2 years. We're certified installers with an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. When you're ready for a professional auto detailing, think of DoubleTake Auto Spa of Fremont. You'll be glad you did.